already investing in some of them. So please tell me, guys. Okay, so number one, there you go. Contents. We're gonna have. So we got GME number one. This is the number one company that we're going to be talking about. GME is a game, hardware, software manufacturers. Your games, your computers, some household electrical appliances and the stuff. And also we have FFIE 10 times rich. That's another one. And we're also going to talk about e-commerce companies, which one e-commerce company whose valuation exceeds that of Taobao. So there you go. There you go. So we're going to start with GME. Let's see what it's all about. Okay, so it's a retail private investor versus Wall Street institutions, GME. Let's see about what their company profile, because it's important for you to know the company's profile, where they're coming from, where they're going, their track record, in a nutshell, in a snapshot, what the company is about. So GME, there you go. It started all the way back in 1996 and is one of the world's largest multi-line video game retailers. So they are in the retail gaming world. Okay, they have a long rich history spanning all the way from 1996. We are in 2024, so they have been operational for 28 years, and they are one of the world's largest, if not the world's largest, multi-line video game company. The company is engaged. So what do they do? They are engaged in selling old and new video games. Okay, old from back in the day to current video games. They do all that selling as well. Game hardware, physical and digital video game software. Game hardware, they do hardware and software gaming products for both physical and digital gaming. Okay, so I hope that is clear. Let's see. I'm trying to see my YouTube. Let me come on live. I usually like to see you guys. And the world's largest multi-line video retailer is engaged in selling old, new. Okay, all the stuff, guys. You are maybe a video gamer. If you're a gamer, please tell me. I'm not really a gamer, but here and there you'll catch me playing a game, the easy games. But I'm sure some of you guys who are watching, you are professional video gamers, or you've been playing games for a very long time. So there we go with the company, physical and digital video game software, accessories as well. So they're supplying everything. Okay, computer entertainment software for your computers, new and old mobile phones as well. So their business idea is quite broad. You can see it's quite broad. It's not only video games, it's also accessories, it's also mobile phones, consumer electronics, and many other goods. So this is what? This is GME. That is the company profile, a snapshot of it. What do you guys think? Okay, now let's really go into the meat. Okay, we want to talk about the news concerning GME. So there was some news that came out. Just a breakdown. First of all, it's got to do with what? The news that's associated with GME or people in the gaming world. Okay, U.S. retail investor Keith Gill has returned to social media platform X after 3 years. Yes, so Keith Gill, you can go do a quick Google, find out who Keith Gill is. Definitely one of the biggest investors in terms of the gaming industry or the gaming sector. So he's been quite he's been away from social media, but then recently resurfaced on X. So that's big news. If it's an investor, want to know what he's been up to, want to know what investment he's going to be talking about, and things like that. So in early 2021, the stock prices of GameStation have been hovering at a low level. So this is old news, low level. Some hedge funds have built large short positions, betting that the stock will fall further. Okay. So hedge funds have betted the stock will fall further. So stock is already hovering at a low level because of so many reasons. Could be news, could be uncertainties, anything that makes stock fall down. The Wall Street Bets Forum members already begin to know the situation and begin to discuss